Hello everyone and welcome to Dieterhorn.d. Today I'm presenting one of the most famous side tables in design history, the adjustable table by Eileen Gray. It's incredible that this table was designed back in 1927, over 90 years ago, yet it still looks completely modern. Its most distinctive feature is the height adjustment. You simply release this small metal chain and you can then easily set the height to your own personal preference, all the way up to a maximum of 100 centimeters. This makes the table an absolutely perfect and elegant match for the iconic Le Corbusier chaise longue, as well as any comfortable armchair or sofa. The top can be easily pulled over a seating area, so that the glass surface appears to be almost gracefully floating in mid-air. Eileen Gray actually designed this table for her sister. She wanted to have breakfast in bed and was looking for a practical solution for it. Since 1978, the table has been part of the permanent design collection at the Museum of Modern Art. This is a truly special recognition for such an outstanding piece of design. What you see here is the chrome version with a crystal glass top. In our shop, we also offer other versions, including a black frame with a black metal top.